The 2025 Ford B-Max is back and better than ever, redefining what a compact MPV can be in today's modern world. Originally designed for the European market, the B-Max has evolved into a versatile, tech-savvy, and highly practical car that suits both urban and suburban lifestyles. From its compact dimensions to its clever interior design, the new B-Max is built for families, commuters, and city drivers who need flexibility without sacrificing style or performance. Ford has redesigned the exterior to make it look sharper, more aerodynamic, and future-forward, with its sleek LED headlights, redesigned grille with chrome touches, and modern 17-inch alloy wheels. The 2025 B-Max now carries a more aggressive and confident presence on the road. The signature sliding rear doors remain one of its most iconic and practical features, allowing for easy access and tight parking spaces perfect for families with kids or professionals constantly on the go. Under the hood, the 2025 B-Max comes with Ford's latest EcoBoost 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It's now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that adds a little boost while maintaining excellent MPG figures. The engine delivers around 125 horsepower, making it nimble enough for city traffic while maintaining a quiet and refined ride at higher speeds. You can also opt for a turbocharged diesel variant in select regions, especially for those doing longer commutes. The powertrain is now paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and better driving dynamics. Inside, the 2025 Ford B-Max feels anything but compact. The clever use of space, along with the absence of a central B-pillar between the front and rear doors, gives it an incredibly open and airy feel. The cabin has been completely redesigned with new high-quality materials, a soft-touch dashboard, and better noise insulation. The seats are now more supportive, with optional leather upholstery, and the rear seats fold flat to expand the already generous cargo space. Whether you're carrying passengers, bikes, or luggage, the B-Max adapts effortlessly. Ford's latest SYNC for infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard. Housed in a 10.1-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition has been significantly improved, and over-the-air updates ensure your system stays current. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and displays everything from navigation to driver assist status. You'll also find a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and optional built-in for LTE Wi-Fi for all your devices. Safety is another strong area for the 2025 B-Max. It now comes standard with Ford Copilot 360 technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, and even traffic sign recognition. Parking is made easy with the 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist. This car was clearly designed with real-world driving in mind, helping you navigate busy city streets and tight parking garages without stress. In terms of driving experience, the B-Max feels nimble and responsive. The updated suspension system gives it a more composed feel, especially over potholes and uneven surfaces. Steering is light yet precise, making it perfect for tight turns and city navigation. Ford has also worked on improving overall ride comfort, and the result is a smoother, more refined drive that still remains fun and engaging. The 2025 Ford B-Max isn't just a practical family vehicle, it's a smart, connected, and stylish solution for modern drivers who want more from a compact car. It's efficient, loaded with technology, easy to live with, and still affordable in its segment. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or an urban explorer, the new B-Max is built to move with you in every way that matters. Thanks for watching AutoXperience. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars hitting the road. Let us know in the comments, would you consider the B-Max for your next urban ride?